The Rajasthani Organization of American Residents, ROAR, celebrated its 9th annual Teej Mahotsav on July 27th at Royal Albert's Palace with a vibrant display of tradition, dance and unity. The event began with a Hindu matrimonial meetup, followed by a spirited Teej Mata procession featuring band baja and the iconic Kacchi Ghodi dance by ROAR members. Diya lighting was led by ROAR President Tarang Soni, founding Chairman Parmeshwar Soni and board members including Chandra Sukhwal, Haridas Kotawala and Naveen Shah. The evening honored victims of Pahalgam and Operation SINDOOR featured a recognition letter from Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi and brought laughter with special guest Omi Vaidya. Highlights included traditional Rajasthani cuisine, electrifying performances by singer Aishwarya Pandit, and the 3rd International Rajasthani pageant where Jeeval Paliwal and Payal Sharma took top honors. With full house attendance for the 3rd consecutive year, the Youth Wing YOR was officially launched. The event was supported by the Indian Consulate, top sponsors and media partners including ITV Gold and Parekh Worldwide Media. Take a look.
Khammalani, everybody. I hope you all are having a good time. अब देखो मुझे तो कम आती है मारवाड़ी, so I'll be talking in Hindi और इधर in English. ठीक है? So really दिल से आप लोगों का बहुत 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 शुक्रिया कि आप लोग यहाँ आए और सारे ही बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं. So अपने लिए सब लोग प्लीज एक बार ताली बजाएं. Because it's not easy being in this country और इस तरीके से आपको रेडी होना. It's not an easy task. बहुत डर लगता है और इतनी धूप में बाहर. Everybody has given their 100% and everybody is looking fabulous, beautiful, handsome और सारे एकदम रानियाँ लग रही हैं आज. तो really thank you everyone. So मैं क्या बोलूँ आप लोगों को, सिर्फ यही दिल से कहती हूँ कि शुक्रिया आप लोगों का. और ये जो हमारा छोटा सा परिवार एक बन गया है यहाँ पर, थोड़ा सा छोटा सा ही है ना. So a big thank you to all of you and I really appreciate कि हमारे जो रूट्स हैं हम उसके साथ जुड़ रहे हैं. ये जो हमारे इंडिया का जो कल्चर है उसको हम लोग आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. And we are giving this back to our community, to our new generation, and we really want our kids to know about the Indian culture, Indian roots, and as this is the organization of Rajasthan, so थोड़ा बहुत राजस्थानी के बारे में भी जाने, उसकी भाषा को जाने, उसके वस्त्रों को पहचाने और उसकी बहुत सारी जितनी भी खान पान है उन सबको जाने. So, you know, this is a very little effort from our side and an effort from your side also because you are also being part of it. You are coming, you are being part of it. This.
बरसात हो, गर्मी हो, धूप हो, जो भी हो, लेकिन साल में एक बार राजस्थान उत्सव मनावा, अपना कल्चर लाइव रखा ताकि बच्चा ने पता चला कि आप घटसाया कि आपका कल्चर है कि रूट है. तो ये कामना के साथ मैं थारा सबको बहुत स्वागत कर रहा हूँ. और अगर कोई कमी रह गई हो जो कि वो हमेशा हुआ है, मैं कितनी भी कोशिश करा तो भी के लिए हमारी तरफ से बहुत क्षमा याचना. और मैं चाहूँगा कि परिवार को सदस्य समझ के हमारे इस चीज़ ने भूल के आगे सागे चलेगा. धन्यवाद.
तो बिल्कुल अपना ये हमारा एक छोटा सा परिवार बन गया है और हम चाहते हैं कि अगर कहीं पर कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई हो तो प्लीज़ इग्नोर, है ना, इग्नोर कर दो क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत लगती है. हम 6-7 महीने लगाते हैं और यू नो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है, कभी गड़बड़े, कभी कुछ और हो जाता है. तो बस ये हमारा दिल से हम लोग आप लोगों के लिए और सारे के सारे जितने भी हमारी कम्युनिटी है, जितनी इंडियन कम्युनिटी है, सबको साथ में लेके आने की अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करते हैं. So I would also like to call my son on the stage and I want to really thank my husband also. Woo! So इन दोनों का मेरे को बहुत साथ रहता है. नाम तो मेरा आगे रहता है लेकिन I really want to give credit to both of them also because इनके बिना मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. और बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स हैं, जो हमारे वेल विशर्स हैं, जो हमारे वॉलेंटियर्स हैं और जितने लोग यहाँ आए हैं उनके बिना दिस यू नो महोत्सव जो है इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू बी डन. सो really थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट. स्पॉन्सर्स एंड सबका थैंक यू. हम वन बाय वन करेंगे. But right now we want to talk about something which has, which we had started. Not me, actually these kids has started. And, and that is youth of Rajasthan. जैसे कि मैं अभी बोल रही थी कि हम लोग अपनी आगे वाली जनरेशन को we want to tell the new generation that these are our roots. So these kids themselves have started the youth of Rajasthan. और मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था, मुझे 2 दिन पहले पता चला है कि ये लोग कुछ इस तरीके का कर रहे हैं. They wanted to showcase and they want all the kids to join that. So this is a very good initiative from them. So I want to give the mic to my son and I want to call all the team. Atharva, would you like to, would you like to? Okay, so they have a dance first. So they're gonna do some dance here and then later on they want to introduce themselves. So we'll take a lead from the stage and अपने लिए एक बार और तालियां बजा लें आप लोग. So thank you so much. program now. Thank you.
Tarang Soni, and today we are celebrating the 9th Annual Teej Mahotsav from the organization that is ROAR USA, that is Rajasthani Organization of American Residents, and this is the 9th Annual Teej Mahotsav. We are celebrating this with all the community people here. More than 1,000 people are here, and more than 15 vendors are here who are, with us having their stuffs and selling that and having a good time here. Everybody is very, very excited and wants to be part of. We all are decked up. Very, very beautiful ladies are here. Those who have, got ready for this beautiful, beautiful event. And it really takes a lot of time for everyone to dress up and to just stay to the roots of our community and our state, that is Rajasthan and India. We are so proud that our new generation is also coming forward and and want to be part of it. And there is an initiative from the ROAR organization which is YOR, that is Youth of Rajasthan, and they are bringing all the kids together. If you want to be part of it, you can go to our website, that is roarusa.org, and you can click to the YOR, that is Youth of Rajasthan page, and you can fill the form and be part of it. Apart from that, today, if I talk about, so we are having a pageant, that is the 3rd International Rajasthani pageant. Second, we had a Omi Vaidya who just did a live comedy, that's a stand-up comedy, and everybody had a great time. Apart from that, we have done a opening ad which was based on a very intense topic, that was Sindoor, and all these girls has performed on that topic and mesmerized everyone. Everybody was on tears and very the heart was full of emotions because the topic was very emotional. We have Aishwarya Pandit coming who will do a live concert. After the dinner, we are serving dal bati churma, the Rajasthani delicacies, ghevar, and many things today. And I hope everybody is enjoying and having a great time. So this is the organization which we say, let's roar!